Hello, happy Chinese New Year! It's the Chinese New Year again, it's the year of the snake. And today I'm going to go to see the walk, or it's like a procession, for the Chinese New Year happening in Valletta in Malta. As I do every time this happens, every year that it happens, I go and try to show it to you on YouTube. Okay, so now let's go. Ciao. If you don't go on the statue of the Valletta like someone did. Perhaps this statue should be protected a bit better, with something to make it a bit more difficult, to go over it. Okay, so what do we have here? We have giving back to the community. Embassy Valletta Hotel. Not sure if these are part of the giving back to the community, but anyway. So now I have to go to the Triton Fountain to see this procession. So let's walk there. You can see a bit of Valletta at the same time. That's the old Royal Opera House, or what remains of the Royal Opera House. And some photos of recent performances. A pity they don't show old photos of the Opera House. Teatro Reali. That's your word for today. Teatro Reali, Royal Theatre. Okay, so now I'm going to. Here we have the old Wembley store. And now let's get towards the fountain. I hope this time the thing is more punctual than last year. Last year it started a bit late. And those are the ruins of the Royal Opera House. I can show you a scene of how it looked before, many years ago. Okay, so now let's proceed. The Triton Fountain, beginning of Floriana, but also you can see the beginning of Valletta. I'm a bit early. Here we've got a Mickey Mouse. Presumably it's one of those where if you take a photo with him, you have to pay him. And there are some of these abroad also, have to be careful because they do charge a fee. I don't know if that's someone who's asking for money. Doesn't seem to be asking for money. Seems to be quietly there. And we have the Triton Fountain here. It's a popular spot for selfies. Very popular spot for selfies. This is a spot which is popular. You want to meet up with someone, you can tell them you're meeting up near the Triton Fountain and meet them there. Everyone knows where the Triton Fountain is, even tourists. It was itself restored a few years ago also. It was restored to its original beauty or glory, if you like. And then after it finishes, I will go and have something to eat. And typically I'll try to find a Chinese restaurant to have some Chinese food. Chinese food is always, appropriate when you are celebrating the Chinese New Year. And we see the chap Benny, that singer Benny, is in Valletta. Whether he's actually there today, I haven't seen him lately. And if he's there, perhaps he can sing a Chinese song again. Or perhaps not, I don't know. I remember last time I got him to sing a Chinese song. So I might try that again. But that part might not be best for YouTube. Perhaps that I will upload on TikTok, perhaps on RedNote, because I am on RedNote also. You use the Chinese app RedNote. I am uploading occasionally on RedNote also. So follow me there. I'm Travel Malta on Red Note. You can follow me. Find the link to my Red Note or any other link of mine. You can also go to the link section of my YouTube and basically get to the section, the link which says all my links, and you can get to a page where I have all the links that you might need. Basically, you find them there, and you can find my TikTok, or WhatsApp group, my Discord. You can also join my Discord now. That's a new thing, and basically follow me over there on Discord, and you'll get updates there also. Right, and my WhatsApp also is something you can use. For now it's open to everyone. In future I might restrict it to only channel members. So this is the time. If you want to get on it for free, you can get on it, but later it will be for members only, or for anyone who's subscribing to me on Patreon. Paid Patreons, basically. Paid Patreon. Remember, you can support me, also my travels, by becoming a member, okay, on YouTube or a Patreon, on Patreon. And the links are found below. Alright, so now. No, government gives you money, you don't need to beg. That's it.
No, I live in the street.
You can't live in the street. No, nobody lives in the street. Government gives you places where you can stay, and there are places where you can go, like Caritas, and you have
I come
everything.
down now, today, from Caritas.
Mela, go there. They help you. They can help you. There's no excuse to stay in the street. And see, begging for money is illegal in Malta. It's illegal. You should know it's illegal. Police can arrest you. Be careful. Or you're good. And there is help for you. Really, take help. Voilà, you see? In Malta it's illegal to beg, due to a law that Mintoff had passed a number of years ago, and begging is illegal. And there are lots of help and places where they can stay, so it's not really true that they don't have anywhere to stay. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but he left. The police passed coincidentally, and he just left. I think he was scared now. Right, and I wanted to say that there's going to be a lion's dance, so it's not just a walk, but there's a lion's dance, so it's apparently a performance. And it's supposed to be happening here, the Triton's fountain. It's 2:30 now.